And I wanted to actually share an experience that I talked a little bit about my features and how like Momedy is, heals about 75%. The odd time medication gets a little whacked out, and so I do have to go to the hospital, and they just have to kind of balance my medication and sometimes change it around because the healing is starting to happen, and so actually medication has to come down. And so the reception actually wasn't very good in the morning. We were trying to get Saturday. And so I was actually holding up the phone and I was trying to find where I can get somehow reception. And so I was like up this way and I finally got reception and I was kind of like watching it. And I just felt like there was something that I should look behind me. And all of a sudden it was all of the housekeeping staff and curtains. I was in a general ward. The curtains started to draw, and all of the people with big smiles on their faces were watching Swamiji for Satsang. So it was such an amazing experience as they were listening to Swamiji and they were going Nityananda, Nityananda. So it just brought a lot of warmth to my end. And how, no matter where we are, how much we can enrich, and Swamiji is just touching in all ways. So, like I said, it was such an amazing experience for me. So I just wanted to share that today. So, Nityananda.